This amazing property is situated in the proclaimed Grotto Bay Nature Reserve with 24-hour access control is only 45 minutes or 60 kilometers from Cape Town on the R27. This fully furnished home is in a prime location within the estate and approximately 150 meters from the beach. The low-maintenance garden with paved cobbles boasts with fountains, automated irrigation system and a sparkly swimming pool. This is the spacious lounge which flows onto a patio with the pool and stunning sea view. The dining room is open plan and leads out onto the entertainment room with a built-in braai. The kitchen is practical in design with modern finishes, granite tops, a gas hob, an electric oven, built-in cupboards and a separate laundry. This large entertainment room has a bar area and double volume doors leading onto the patio. On the ground floor one would find two spacious bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. The main bedroom is enormous with its own lounge area and stunning sea views. The ensuite consists of a Victorian bathtub, shower and a wash basin. One would also find two large bedrooms with a sea view. Both these bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms consisting of a shower and a wash basin. This room is well sized and could be used as a TV lounge or study. This is an ideal family home or guest house with spacious rooms and in a superb location. Inquire now.